Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Actually, I never used to get up early. I work in Margao, Peppers. Today I got up early 7 o'clock. I went outside, I could hear some sounds. Slowly, some stones were falling down from the wall. And then I saw half portion of the down foundation wall fell down. I came and woke up my wife. I said, "Come on, get up fast. This wall will collapse. We won't get two chance to go out of the flat." Again, getting ready to move, no, that dham, it became the full wall fell down, but any vibrations that are building up. Vibration became, and because so fear, we started screaming we thought the building only is going to collapse. So screaming, we took the kids and we locked the door and we went out. We didn't even know what was the damage that had become.
It is important weakness.
Yeah, light was important, no. Now when we came inside now to check the damages, we see the kitchen wall is damaged, the tiles and all are broken, the wall has been pushed, and outside gallery is totally mess. All the full wall and mud of the next compound of everything came inside and broke everything. Outside also the more damages that is they don't have gallery and all that. The stones and what went directly into the flat.
So total, how many flats are affected?
Totally 1, 2, 3, 4. Four flats are affected. The affected is up till the second floor. So we are more affected. First floor and second floor are more affected. The second floor, I think some branches and all of the trees and all entered into the flat. Now when they build a wall, they didn't even think about having some outlet for the water to go. So that water kept on soaking into the mud, no, and then the chire and all became soft. एकदा चिरे सॉफ्ट झाले काय ते मागे पडटा सकल because they had not put proper foundation and all. Just they made the wall out of chire and cement.
स्टार्ट झालेले आहे चौकात.
And this wall is not now. This wall is 25 years old. 25 years old. So that time they didn't think about it. So then after soaking, then many complaints have been made by the society people, chairman. Many complaints, but they have never taken any action. So now finally we get to see this now. The whole wall is collapsed.
पहिले त्या सायडीने हे पडली भिंतीची माती पडपा लागली ते बरा पयलीं सांगली तिका माती पडटा म्हणून देन आफ्टर हांव हळू माती पडटा म्हणल्यार हांव किचनात जेवण करपाक गेलेलें म्हणल्यार कमी आसलेली त्या माती पडलेली सडनली हो डोंगर सामको सकयल आयलो आनी हांव जेवण करतालें आयले तर सामकी पॅक जाली कबड सामकी बंद जालें भायर वचपाक पासून मेळ्ळी जालें वचपाक हॉल द किचन द बेडरूम टोटल डॅमेज कबड धरले ते सगळे फुल
पण कोणा कित जाला बी नका
आमकां काय जालां आमी सेफ जाली आमी देवान राखला आमी सेफ जाली हे सगळे डॅमेज जाले टोटल डॅमेज जाले
कोणाली
त्या सायडीन तो वयर कोण रावता ती तेंची हॉल बट सोसायटीन फोर मातशें पलट्यान सांगले आसतली तेमी कंप्लेन बी दिली आसली सोसायटी आहा
पूण प्रॉब्लेम पयलींच्यान आशिल्लो उदक बीन हांगा कितें सांठोवन उरताले
ना त्या सायडीन मातशी माती पडलेली त्या सायडीची तशें उदक सांठोवन बी कांयच उरना ती फुगली पावसाचे फुगोन टोटली आयिल्ली ती सिधा ह्या सायडीन आयली फुगोनूच आयली सगळी.
Watch on Herald TV.